Most side hustle videos in the online space are aligned to you based on their requirements, the skills, the time frame that will take you to earn a single penny in the online space, right? And I know you might be burned out and you don't even know, or you don't have any idea about any side hustle that you can leverage on right now in the online space to get to make some figures or probably a living for yourself in the online space, right? In this video right now, I'm going to expose you to up to 4 side hustles that you can leverage on right now in this online space, and all of these can be done on your smartphone without any hassle, without any stress. All you need to do right now is to pay close attention and learn the process from me right now so you can get over out of here after this video and you can get to do that and set it up for yourself, right? So like I said, it's 4 of them, so I'm going to start from number 4. But before we get down to that, I want you to like this video, share to your friends, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so anytime I drop an new video like this, YouTube is going to notify you and you can get to watch the video while you take an action as soon as possible, right? Now the 4th one right here is social media management for local business. You see, this is very common and it's something you can do right now with your smartphone. All you need to do is to look out for businesses around you that they are struggling with their social media or online presence at large, and you can get to partner with them, manage their social media accounts for them, get to post for them on their behalf, and manage it day by day with a certain agreement on the price of your charge. Is that going to be probably maybe a commission based, or maybe how many sales that comes through the social media or anything like that, or is it salary based stuff? So it's something you can leverage on. And just imagine you are able to reach out to 50 businesses around your area. That's 50 social media accounts that you have to do every day, and it's easy. Just 50 click on the button to post stuff on the social media and you'll be earning in 50 places every other month for yourself without any hassle. And this is one of the process that you can do to get your first side hustle in the online space, right? So it's something simple. Now think about the people in your area, or you can go over to Instagram, check out for businesses around a particular niche that they are not doing well, and you can send a pitch to them and get to offer them a management at a discount, and they can get to award this to you so you can get to do the job for them and they can give you their money at the end of every month or at the end of every sales, right? So it's something basically simple and easy to do. Anybody can do this. It doesn't matter your age, your location, or anything. Just look out for your local area and get to this business, pitch yourself to them, and you can get to leverage on that as soon as possible. Now the number 3 one right here is freelance writing with AI assistance, right? So you see, this something is very easy to do because you are using AI and you have platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, TopTal, LinkedIn, and every other ones right there to list out your service on, and you can get to sell this as a service. Or even you see all these businesses that I just showed you how to get gig from them in the very first one. Those businesses might even want to decide to do it themselves, but they don't know what they want to write or what they want to post. And that's, you can use your service, freelance writing with AI. You can use ChatGPT, Cloud AI, Grok, and all of those ones, Gmine, to write a converting social media post, and you can get to sell to these people for your side hustle, and you can get to give them like maybe a monthly calendar that they can follow, and you can do this for a whole lot of businesses across multiple niches to grow their businesses in the online space. And with this, they can get to increase their online presence. I'm talking maybe a script, or probably YouTube caption, or maybe probably Instagram or social media captions, and all of those such. People will buy, or even a prompt that's going to help them generate all of these things is going to work for them, and they can get to exchange that for their money. Now the second one that I'm going to talk to you right now that you can leverage on is affiliate marketing, right? You see, I made a video recently on this channel where I break down every step by step about affiliate marketing, from what is affiliate marketing, how can you get started right now in the online space in 2026, and you can still get to make a decent amount for yourself with that business model, right? You see, affiliate marketing is easy. It doesn't matter you have to sell something to people. It's basically you looking for a loopholes between people and what they are facing. You can even solve people's problem and you can still make money as an affiliate doing that. You solving people's problem or helping them to solve a particular problem and you still getting paid to recommend what is going to help them with their problem and what's going to help them resolve it ASAP in the online space. You can do this as soon as possible as well, and you can get to do a figure for yourself. You can click the second link in the description of this video to watch that video where I break down what affiliate marketing is and how to get started in 2026 and how you can scale it as a business in the online space. And in coming videos, I will be talking more about where to get affiliate products and how you can use it to solve people's problem in exchange of money without you being salesy and trying to sell all over the time to people. People will see your value and they see the value of what you are pitching to them before they can swipe their card for you, right? Now, if you want to watch that video, like this video, smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so once I drop the video, YouTube will send you a notification about that and you can get to watch the video and you can do better for yourself, right? Now, the first one, which is the better one and the one that you can do right now, even if you neglect all the previous three, and this one is one of the best that is selling crazily in the online space, is digital products. You see, I just made a video as well on this channel where I explain what digital products is, how to get started, what kind of products can you create, who are the people you should create all these products for, how can you get them, right? Who are the people you are going to sell to? How can you sell to them? Where can they access your product? All of these things is what I break down in that tutorial that I will leave a link to in the description of this video as well. You can get to watch that and you can create your first digital product and you can get to turn that into a business as you scale. And all of these things that I just mentioned, they are side hustles that you can leverage on right now in the online space. And these are something that is going to give you a recurring revenue if you put in the right work and you do what is required to get the result, right? So you see, all of these things is easy and it's something you can do everything together, but don't burn yourself out with ideas. I just simplify everything to you, and all you need to do now is to take instant action after this video. Or if you need help about all of these things, you can use the first link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp community where we talk about updates, scalable business, and all of those stuff. I answer your question every time before coming over here on YouTube. And if you don't want to go through that stress, just drop your honest question or what you feel like or what you have problem with in the comment section of this video, and I will see you right there where I respond to all of your comments and even share with you an full step-by-step process that you can follow to get things done for yourself. So if all of this being said, guys, I will see you in the next video, but don't forget to like this video, share with your friend so all of us can make a living together and build a business for ourselves in the online space. And subscribe to this channel. Remain a subscriber is very, very important because we will be sharing more info updates about the time, and I don't want you to miss it because you are my people, you are my friend, and I want to see you at the top as well. So if all of this be said, guys, I will see you in the next video. Till then, guys, be at peace.